Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off direct messages preview on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here we will find notifications. Click on it, and here as you see you will find direct messages preview. Just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off your direct messages preview. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.